Okay, I was trying to keep the talking to a minimum on this video, but there is a couple things I want to speak on about this Custom Dynamics LED lighting kit. First things first, the stock light. The fender light right there, when you put the new one on, you don't need this stuff here. You don't put this back on with it because the Custom Dynamics fender tail light is a little bit different and it's kind of sealed up already. So yeah, you just put this back on the stock light. And you can save that for later, or if you ever need it, or what are you going to do with it, whatever. My turn signal kit in the front and the back, my turn signal tail light combo LED kit. The back ones came with the 2 red lenses. The front ones came with the 2 smoke lenses. I wanted all clear lenses, so I ordered 4 clear lenses. That's why I have these extra here. All in all, I'm happy with the kit. The shipping, it came fairly quick, and it was truly a plug and play setup. The only tools I used is this ratchet right here, a 7/16 socket. I use this little small flathead screwdriver. I used a little bit bigger flathead screwdriver. And then I use this little ratchet right here with the swivel head also. And this one here is a T25 to get that fender light out. So pretty simple as far as the tool list goes. Out of curiosity, I did want to see if I can get the fender light on without using my motorcycle jack, without lifting it up. I wanted to see if I can get it on with the bike just leaning on this kickstand. It was a little bit harder, but it is doable. Now it's time for me to show you the lights, what it all looks like after I put all this on. To me, it's definitely an upgrade. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to speak on one more thing. Not only did I get the back fender light, brake light, the tail lights and the turn signals, and the 4 clear lenses. They also threw in the box some Custom Dynamic stickers, couple Pro Beam Custom Dynamic stickers, and this Custom Dynamic koozie, I think that's what it's called, where you put your little can in there and keeps your bottles or something cold. That was cool of them. A little swag they threw in the box, along with the merchandise. What's up there, people? 100 Spoke Riders here. I appreciate each and every one of you for checking out 100 Spoke Riders videos. New videos coming soon. Alright, 100 Spoke Riders signing out.